Hi everyone, back with a video. I've been sick for the last 2 months, essentially, and it's not been very fun, but I've still been working and listened to a lot of music, so I have another product review regarding my Bose QC35 headphones that I've had for 7 years now. I really like these headphones, and I usually just use them via Bluetooth on my MacBook Pro, but I've really wanted a good microphone for Zoom meetings and other company meetings, so I thought, I bet there's a good wired boom mic that can attach to the Bose QC35, and then I'll have a good microphone that is wired straight into the computer. And I found a good product that I thought I would share for all of you who still have your Bose QC35, which I think is a lot of people really like these old headphones, the specific Bose QC35s. They're very light and comfortable. This wired boom mic has a microphone shutoff switch on the wire, which is helpful and handy, and then also a volume knob, which I rarely use. I usually just use my keyboard for the volume, but alas, I do appreciate more features. And then it goes right into your computer. Pretty nifty, and a long braided cord. It's a high quality cord. And then there's a nice foam pad over the microphone, which does block out sound pretty well. Here is an example of the Bluetooth microphone that is OEM for these headphones. I'm going to compare it to the Attachable boom mic. You be the judge if it's worth $16 or not for this boom mic. This is the example of the Bluetooth.
And this is an example of the wired boom mic when it is attached to the headphones. The company that makes this is called Butiao, and they make different products for this headphone, but overall, let's take a listen and see which is better. I'm back on my Rode mic and I've listened to that sound example. I do think the boom sounds better. The Bluetooth picks up a lot of white noise, so I would recommend these for $16. They're pretty cheap and they do fit the look of the headphone.